Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to make bullet points on Discord. First of all, let's talk about making bullet points on a Mac. On a Mac, making a bullet point is very simple. All you need to do is press Alt and 8 on your keyboard, and there's your lovely bullet point. You can also just copy a bullet point from another website, let's say. So here, for example, on that website here, I will just simply select that bullet point, and then I copy that bullet point by pressing Command and C on my Mac. I will switch back to Discord, and there to paste this bullet point, just simply press Command and V on your keyboard. Now, on a Windows PC, there are also several ways to make bullet points on Discord. Now, the first way to create a bullet point in Discord on a Windows PC is to simply press Alt and then type this and then type 0149 on your keyboard, and that should also create a bullet point. While doing that, you need to make sure that the numlock key is actually open. Now, the second way to make a bullet point on a Windows PC is almost similar than on a Mac. You would simply go to an external website, there you would select a bullet point, and then on your keyboard you would press Ctrl and C to copy that bullet point. You will switch back to the Discord, and on Discord to paste that bullet point simply press Ctrl and V. So that second method works on both Mac and PC, with the slight difference that on a PC, to copy something you will press Ctrl and C, and on a Mac you have to press Command and C. And to paste it on a PC it's always Ctrl and V, whereas on a Mac it's always Command and V. Now let us have a look at how to make bullet points on an iPhone. For that purpose, I will first simply open up Discord, then I will go in a random channel here. I will just tap on the message field here. And now to make a bullet point, I would first tap here on 1, 2, 3. And then I will tap on that symbol just above ABC. And as you can see on the right side, there's a lovely little bullet point there. Now just tap on it and you have a bullet point. If you want to create a list with several bullet points, then just after that first bullet point, press space once, then write your message. And now to make a line break, simply press on 1, 2, 3 here again, and then press return. Now press again on that symbol above ABC, and then tap again on the bullet point, write your text. And like this you can easily create a list with as many bullet points as you may need. Once you are done and you would like to send or publish this list, simply press here on the send button. That's it, how to make bullet points on iOS. Now last but not least, if you're on an Android phone, to make bullet points simply do this. We will open up Discord first, then in the message field simply tap on that. And now to find the bullet point here on the Android phone, you would click on that question-mark 1, 2, 3 symbol in the lower left corner, and then you tap on that symbol above the ABC. And here as well, as you can see, we got a bullet point to choose from. Now to write that bullet point, simply tap on it and you will see that it will appear in the message field. Now, if you would like to make a list with bullet points on an Android phone, all you need to do is you will again go here to this question-mark 1, 2, 3 in the lower left corner. Then you click on that symbol above ABC. You choose the bullet point. Then you click on space. You input your message. And now to start on a new line with your second bullet point, simply press on return. The return button on Android is located in the lower right corner, so click on that to create a line break. Now again you would go to question-mark 1, 2, 3 and choose that symbol above the ABC to input yet another bullet point. Then I would press space again, write your message, And like this you can create a list with as many bullet points as you want. When you're done, simply click here on Send to release your message. That's it guys, all you need to know about how to make bullet points on Discord. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day guys, bye!